there.
Probably windbreak thing.
Yep. There you go. There go one. There go one. Big boy. Yeah, that's a big boy. Huh? It is him. We right on top of him right here. They are right here. They all out through here. A whole bunch right here. Right in front of the boat out here. They out deeper. There's one. There's one. There's a good one. Y'all see that one right there? Yeah, got it before I'm too close to the bank. A little bit further. Huh? Yeah, there's another good one there. That's a nice one. Alright, be still, boy. I don't need no fins, I don't need no hook. I'm finna spotlight right here for a minute. Might catch about 10 of these, they bite right. I'm tired of it, Kate. Another good one. Come in here. Come on here, boy. Y'all see him there. Another good one there. All right, Kay, where your help? I need some help. Let me help it. Not yet, huh? There you go. Come on now, boy. Kayla, he ain't got time to play with y'all. I got time. Okay, how deep are you? You need to be right there. You right there?
Yeah.
Come on with your bud then, bro. I turned up right. Oh, blue and green one. There you go. Get in the bite. Got him? Yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. Okay, we got a good one, y'all. Yeah, y'all. Let's see what you got there, bro. Oh, you got a good one. You got him? Huh? You gotta get it in front of him.
Like that little color, man. First time I ever used it.
He took off.
Good for the first time though.
One of them.
2 feet back to back, 3 bites. 2 out of 3 ain't back. Ain't a bad ratio. He moved over that. He over that way. Boat move.
I'm right here on the street right here.
I see them. You see them? They went on the street.
Uh,
So they went on the street at first.
don't move too much. There you go. There you go. Oh man, that big mama go.
Going right back.
He going right back into the bunch.
Yeah, I can make a bite.
He might. I doubt it though. There you go. You got it. There you go. You got it that time.
Woo!
Yeah, that's a big one.
What is that? He barely hit.
We better get the net then. Huh? What you got? What you got? Show what you got over there. Yep, another little 12 inch. Huh? Yeah, ain't no need to check him. He's still right there. Little boy. He gonna be good for the fish, bro. So y'all can clean whole. How long is it? Make sure he's 9 inches though. You know, with the check it. He might not be 9. Somebody even whole though. That was the day for whole fish. Hey boy. Come back in. Won't you be still for a minute? I'm just checking your age. Yep, you 9. Yeah, you can go right in and drop him in the box back. Yeah. He 9. He old enough. Yeah, he old enough. He 9. He old enough. Somebody gonna eat some fish with some bones, baby. All right, bro. Get right.
Hey, he moved. He went back the other way.
That's the right spot right there.
Yeah.
Got him that time. Yeah. Another female bluegill. Big old female though. Big female, she can go in the bucket. She going in the box. She going in the box. That's bad. That's a bad thing. We finding more big bluegill than finding crappie. I was like more big bluegill than the crappie. Nice crappie. I got him. Nice crappie. The hook that come through. Hook that come through the loop. That's nice crappie, y'all. I hate the hook that come through the loop like that. I'm right there, I'm trying to get to the top D right here. That's a good one there. Very on bluegill. Good bluegill. Huh? I told you that was a tag. I said, you catching the crap, I'm catching the damn bluegill out here. That's what I said. It's something. They ain't bite mine right. They was bite. I know it was something. Gotta be bluegill in the mother. Right there. That's it. Yeah, that's it. That's it. That's it. Huh? Bunch of big bluegill.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll take them though. I'm throwing the floor right now. I'll take them. They ran.
Yeah.
You missed him.
As soon as you pulled the pass through them, and he ran up through them, they started moving. We ain't in the right line.
Really?
More straight back, man.
Wait, I'm at. Gotta get it right. I'm right there now. Ah, come on. Well, ain't it? Don't eat it. You see what I mean?